Historically, TVs have been the star of the show here at CES, and this year is no exception. Except the TVs are bigger, they have better resolution, and you can actually buy them. We saw the first 8K TV concepts at CES last year, but this year, real production models are everywhere. While it's up for debate whether or not people really need 8K TVs, the companies here at CES definitely want to sell them to you. Samsung, for example, announced a new line of QLED 8K TVs that uses artificial intelligence to upscale conventional content so that it looks like it's an 8K resolution. These TVs start at $5,000 for the 65-inch model, and they go up to an 85-inch model, which will set you back $15,000. Sony also announced a 98-inch 8K TV for its Master Series. Sony hasn't said how much these TVs are going to cost or exactly when they'll come out, but it should be this year. LG had a big TV too, an 88-inch 8K OLED that's absolutely stunning to see in person. Pricing for that is also TBD. Finally, it's worth pointing out that TCL is getting in the 8K game with the new QLED Roku TV with 8K resolution. TCL has a long history of selling high-quality hardware for a very low price, so there's a chance that TCL might actually sell an 8K TV you can afford. But again, you can actually buy all these 8K TVs this year, which is neat if you want an 8K TV. Then again, you might not need all those pixels yet. But that doesn't mean we also didn't see a lot of cool TV concepts. LG really stole the show with a rolling TV that actually descends into a base and kind of disappears when you're not watching it. The company announced it last year, but this year it's actually going on sale. What we will have to wait on is the latest iteration of Samsung's MicroLED technology. This is a new kind of TV technology that takes the best features of LED TVs and the best features of OLED TVs and puts them together. The company first showed off this technology last year with a massive TV called the Wall. This year there's even more massive TV called the Wall, as well as smaller modular TVs that Samsung calls Windows. The possibilities for MicroLED is exciting because it takes some of the best features from LED technology and the best features from OLED technology and brings them together. But for now, Samsung won't say when these new TVs will be available to the public. In the meantime, I'm sure any of these companies would love to sell you an 8K TV, but good luck finding 8K content.